Ever since the day that you went away.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Aquila and I would love for you guys to join. So if you're wondering why my hair is like this, I'm about to give myself some curtain bangs. I thought it was time to do a new hairstyle. I'm feeling new. I just want to go out of my comfort zone a little. I've already dyed my ends. And now I just want to give myself some bangs. I thought they would look really cute. I'm going with some curtain bangs. And I thought I would just show you guys in a video so you guys can come along on the journey with me. If I mess up, it's just hair. It'll be fine. Also, I can always pin it back. And for all you hairstylists that might come after me, it's my hair. It'll be okay. And yeah, I mean, it's just bangs. It'll grow. I'm sure I'll like it though. I've watched a lot of YouTube videos on how they did it, so I'm just going to go off of what they do. And also I'm going to straighten this front part right here. I've already got it all evened out, but I'm just going to straighten this front part so I can go on from there because I don't want to do it curly. I want to do it straight and make sure it's longer. Because if I do it curly, it'll end up shorter than what I really want it. So yeah, I'm just gonna go along and get right into the video. So I'm gonna set you guys up and show you guys. Be a fun little video to do to you guys on my little journey of doing my own bangs at home, because we all know I'm not a hairstylist, and hopefully they turn out good, which I'm sure they will. It's probably time for a little trim anyways, because I don't get my hair trimmed that often because I've been waiting for it to grow, even though you should get your hair trimmed so it can grow, but oh well. She's starting super long, so I'm just gonna go in fairly long too and just go like, she's going up with the scissors, so I'm gonna look at that. It's okay because this hair needs cut anyways. And as you can see, it's kind of uneven, but I'm going to straighten that up with doing that little technique thing, like that they do like this. think it looks really cute. I think it'll also look cuter once all my hair is straightened. But it's cute. Alright guys, don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe and comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!